Thank you class 5, 6 and 7 students for your heart-touching drama. I guess some of our parents' heart had already melted.
Nepali dance, a beautiful expression of culture, tradition and joy, reflecting the diverse communities of Nepal. Through graceful movements, colorful costumes and rhythmic music, the girls of class 10 are going to highlight a Nepali dance to add spices to make this pleasant evening memorable. Thank you.
Thank you, Class 9 girls, for a wonderful performance.
We are slowly coming to the end of this program.
Our next program will be a Boro dance.
Boro dance celebrates the harmony between human and nature through graceful yet energetic movements. Thank you. by Barkha ma'am and Kavita ma'am. A big round of applause for the girls.
This is probably the last program of our annual day evening. I would like the teachers to come on the stage and perform a song. Thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience. A song by Jigyasa Das will be performed now. Thank you.
For the time being, I would like to announce some names regarding since she has sung such a beautiful song. I would like to call the names of the students from the senior section who have secured the positions in the singing competition generally. So, from senior section, I would like to call Arupa Das on the stage, Jigyasa Das, Moyukhi Kashyap, and Anshuman Das. Arupa Das, first prize, Jigyasa Das, class 8, second prize, Moyukhi Kashyap, class 8, third prize, and as a consolation reward, Anshuman Das from class 10. I would like to have all four of them on the stage. Arupa Das, Jigyasa Das, Moyukhi Kashyap, Anshuman Das on the stage. I would like to call Mili ma'am on the stage to present them their certificates. Anshuman Das, Arupa Das, class 10. Arupa Das, congratulations, Arupa Das. Yeah. Congratulations, Mayukhi. Congratulations, Anshuman. I wish you all a great future. Now, I would like to announce the names of students who have secured positions in poster making competition. From senior, first prize, Rashika Ghosh, class 7. Second prize, Garima Sarkar, class 8. Third prize, Anubhav Talukdar, class 8. Rashika Ghosh, class 7. Garima Sarkar, class 8. Anubhav Talukdar, class 8. I would like to have all three of them on the stage. Rashika Ghosh, class 7. Garima Sarkar, class 8. Anubhav Talukdar, class 8. I would like to call Bikiran sir on the stage to present her the certificate. Congratulations, Garima. We had conducted Rangoli competition, and for that I would like to call Tanisha Burman, Nafisa Khanam and Snigdha Ghosh on the stage. Tanisha Burman, class 9, Nafisa Khanam, class 9, Snigdha Ghosh, class 9. I would like to have all three on the stage. Tanisha Burman, Nafisa Khanam and Snigdha Ghosh. I would like to call Bitasta Miss on the stage and present them their certificates. Congratulations, all three of you. Now, I would like to move on to the debate competition that was held earlier. I would like to call Priyanshu Mandal, first prize, Subharip Saha, second prize, Prachi Saha, third prize. Priyanshu Mandal, Subharip Saha, Prachi Saha. I would like to have Priyanshu Mandal, Subharip Saha and Prachi Saha on the stage. I would like to call Dibjoti sir on the stage. And among them, we have the best debater, Priyanshu Mandal from class 9. I would like to ask Dibjyoti sir to present him the trophy for the best debater. Congratulations, Priyanshu. I congratulate all three of them for their performance and I wish them a very bright future. So now it is late, but our teachers have performed, like practiced in a small amount of time, a performance as a tribute to Zubin Garg. So I would like to ask all the teachers to be on the stage and the musicians to just set up their instruments. Class 1, now she is in class 2. Bhumishri Talukdar, class 1, she is presently in class 2. Ritika Ghosh, class 2, she is presently in class 3. Rasika Ghosh, class 6, she is presently in class 7. Garima Sarkar, class 7, presently she is in class 8. Adita Ghosh, class 8, presently she is in class 9. And Pradyumna Kalita, class 9, presently is in class 10. Bhumishri Talukdar, class 1, Ritika Ghosh, class 2, Rasika Ghosh, class 6, Garima Sarkar, class 7, Arita Ghosh, class 8, Pradyumna Kalita, class 9. I would like to have all the students on the stage. On behalf of the students, if the parents are here, you can come forward and take the trophies. On behalf of the students, if the parents are here, you can come forward and take the trophies. We have Garima Sarkar from class 7 who is presently reading in class 8. Congratulations Garima, wishing you a bright future. Pradyumna Kalita, Adita Ghosh, we have Pradyumna Kalita here. He is presently in class 10. He will be appearing in the HSLC examination. We wish you a best result for your upcoming HSLC examination. We have Adita Ghosh of class 9, that means who is presently in class 9. I would like to have Adita Ghosh on the stage. Adita Ghosh of class 8 who is presently in class 9. Congratulations Adita, wishing you a very bright future ahead. So the remaining students will be receiving the trophies in the school assembly. Thank you. Hello? 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 We have our musicians here, and some of them all are from our ABA Senior Secondary School college section. I would like to introduce all of them. So they have informed me that they have a band, and that's the name of their band is Urban Nomads. So they are trained musicians. They are helping us in today's song. It is late, but we'll try to cooperate with them. And our teachers are not that trained, but yet we have tried a bit to practice and forward our song to all of our audience waiting here.
So
Juna Nami se Olohananda Aka Ole Ku Arudi Juna Nami se Olohananda Pahora giton kule ahi prabhati jo ino manu
এতিয়া সকলোকে মই অনুৰোধ কৰিম আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা লাইটটো ডিম কৰি দিয়ক যাতে আমি নেক্সট গানটো আপোনাৰ আগত প্ৰদৰ্শন কৰিব পাৰোঁ আমি মায়াবিনী গোৱাৰ চেষ্টা কৰিম প্ৰয়াস কৰিম তাৰ বাবে আমি লাইটছবোৰ অফ কৰি আপোনালোকৰ মোবাইলৰ ফ্লেছ লাইট জ্বলাই আমাক উৎসাহ দিয়ক তাৰ বাবে আমি কামনা কৰিলোঁ ইয়াৰ মাজত কিবা যদি ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি হৈছে অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি ক্ষমা কৰি দিব আমি এদিনৰ প্ৰেক্টিছত ট্ৰাই কৰিছোঁ এতিয়া বাকীখিনি গাই সমাপ্ত কৰিম বুলি ভাবিছোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকৰ ফালৰ পৰা অকণমান উৎসাহ বিচাৰিছোঁ ধন্যবাদ
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. In one day practice we have done this much. It is not perfect, but we have tried our level best. And since from morning we are working hard, all the teachers are working hard, so we are not being able to give up our best. But still we have tried our level best to show off a little bit of our skills. Thank you. I guess some of our teachers want to show their dance skills since singing has been done. So let us enjoy their dances to the last performance. Again, once I thank all the parents who have waited this late till 9:30 and enjoyed our performance. You have generally given us much encouragement for singing this song. We are not ready, but since we have seen the parents are waiting for all the performance, so we have decided to come up with the ending performances that is by our teachers. Thank you very much to all our lovely guardians, lovely parents for taking up their time from their schedule and getting involved in our cultural meet. Now I would like to leave the stage to the teachers, lady teachers. Generally they are prepared in one day only. They have prepared a dance to showcase their skills. So I would like all the teachers, lady teachers to come up on the stage. Performance, and I really congratulate and like I'm very much proud of my teachers, basically my colleagues. I'm learning from them too, and their performance is generally giving me energized to join them. But since I have not practiced, so I would not like to destroy their performance. I would just like to remove the curtain now and display the performance from our lady gorgeous lovely teachers. I have Vijay ma'am, Harsha miss, Snehasri miss, Musumi ma'am, Anamika ma'am, Joyasri miss, Preeti miss, and Vitasta miss.
নাচি দিয়া আপোনালোকে ভাল নাচিব বুলি মোৰ আশা আছে ভাল লাগে
मैं गाऊं
have lost my voice. It is really an honor for me for giving me this opportunity to stand here and conduct the program. I really like to thank Millie ma'am, Han sir, and all my dear mentors standing here, sitting here, for giving me this opportunity to take the stage and have the opportunity to generally conduct the program. And I would like to thank all my lovely teachers, colleagues, for giving me the energy, for giving me the support to generally conduct all the program this smoothly and this correctly. Yeah, it has become a bit late. It is our first time holding such a program, and it is generally a great opportunity for me to stand here and give such a speech, a talk on the day of Cultural Fest, Annual Cultural Fest 2025-26, celebrating creativity and traditional exchange. Thank you, Millie ma'am, thank you, Haran sir, and all my dear mentors, and all my dear teachers. And সবশেষত মই আমাৰ দৰ্শক হিচাপে থকা সকলো গাৰ্জেনক ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। আপোনালোকে ইমান টাইম আমাৰ লগত থাকি আমাৰ প্ৰগ্ৰেম এনজয় কৰিলে, আমাক উৎসাহ দিলে, আমাক সাহস দিলে, আমি ইমান ধুনীয়াকৈ একদম কোনো অসুবিধা নোহোৱাকৈ প্ৰগ্ৰেমটো চলাই নিব পাৰিলোঁ। অকণমান দেৰি হ'ল, তাৰ বাবে ক্ষমা প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিলোঁ। আৰু এনেদৰে আমাক আগন্তুক দিনত আহিব লগা প্ৰগ্ৰেমবোৰত আমাক সহায় কৰক, আমাক আশীৰ্বাদ কৰক, আমাক উৎসাহ দিয়ক, যাতে আমি সুন্দৰৰূপে আগন্তুক দিনত হ'ব লগা প্ৰগ্ৰেমবোৰ চলাব পাৰোঁ। ধন্যবাদ। জয় অসম।